Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about margin property in CSS 3. These margin properties are used to set the margin around the sides of an element box. Means these margin properties used to apply specific margins for division tags. Margin property is used in a different ways. We can apply the margins in a four ways. That all four ways I have written here. This is the name of property, and right side we are passing the values for margin. Means we are passing size for margin here. Here in this example we can observe only 10 pixel we are passing, only one value we are passing to the margin property here. If you pass only one value for margin property, means the same margin will be applied for all four sides. All four sides are top, right, bottom, left. All four sides same size of margin will be applied for division tag. Next way of applying margin will be, we can pass two values for margin property here. First value 10 pixel I have taken. Next value I have taken as a 20 pixel. First pixel is used to, first value is used to apply margin for top and bottom. Second value is used to apply margin for left and right side. These all things we are going to learn practically. Then you will be able to understand margin property clearly. Next way of applying margin will be, we can pass four values for margin property here. We can see here all different values size of margin I am going to apply for specific division here. First value will be for top side, second value will be for right, third value will be for bottom, fourth value will be for left side. Means different size of margins we are going to apply for a specific division here, or else we can say it as a specific elements box. Next way of applying margin will be, we can specify the specific side of a element. Here the name of property will be margin top. Means we are going to apply specific margin size for only for the top margin here, and this specific size we are going to apply only for margin right side. Means we can specify a specific side of a margin with the name of margin property with a hyphen in between both the property. Margin top, margin right, margin bottom, margin left. Let's learn all these properties practically. Here you can observe in this program three division tags I am displaying on output screen here. So I'm applying specific height, width and border for all these three division tags here. You can observe only I'm taking the name of element to, and I have passed all these three properties styles for division elements. Means the same height, width and border is applying for all these three division tags. So still I have not applied any margins here. So already we have seen different ways to apply the margins. Let's start with the first margin way of applying the property. So write the name of margin property here, margin. So here I'm passing 50 pixels for all division tags here. If I am passing only one value, it means it is applying the same margin for all four sides here. So now I am saving this and refresh here. So you can see the same margin size is applying at all four sides. Next one is, so we can pass two values for margins here. First value I am passing as a 50 pixels. Next value I am passing as 0 pixels. Means what will happen here? So first value is for top and bottom. Next value is for left and right side. Left and right side I am removing the margin, and only top and bottom I am passing as a 50 pixels. So I am saving this and I am refreshing here. You can observe the difference. Here you can see left and right side it is applying 0 pixels, means it removed all the margin size, and top and bottom it is applying 50 pixels here. So now I will remove margin for first value and I will apply 50 pixels for I will pass 50 pixels for second value. So you can observe top and bottom I am applying only 0 pixels, and left and right side 50 pixels I am going to apply now. So I am refreshing here. So you can see left side 50 and here right side 50 pixels it is applying. So I have reduced the size of this Chrome, so it is you can't able to see here. Okay, now left and right side 50 pixel it is going to apply now. So we can pass 4 values for margin property. So different size of margins we can apply all 4 sides here. 50, 30 pixels, any values we can pass. Means all 4 sides, different sizes we can apply here. So refresh it. So you can observe only 10 pixel of margin I am going to apply top, and 50 pixel I am going to apply at right side. So I have reduced the size of this screen, so you can't see the output properly at right side here. So next one is 30 pixels I am going to apply for bottom, and then 60 pixel I am going to apply at left side here. So you can make out the difference here. Next one is, so you can apply specific size for specific sides with the name of that side with a margin property here. Margin hyphen and name specific sides we can write here. Margin top, so 90 pixels I am applying, only top side it will apply the 90 pixel margins. See, left side there is no margin, right side there is no margin, only top side I am applying 90 pixels for all the division tags. So next I will apply margin left. So here what I will do, 50 pixels I will apply. Save this and refresh here. You can see left side it is applying 50 pixels, top it is applying it as 90 pixels. Left side and bottom it is not applying any margins here. So like this you can use margin property in HTML program.